trouble now.
What is going on, YouTube? So you guys read the title, you see what I've got in front of me right here, you know where this is going, and I hope you're excited about this video as I am. So I actually got this idea from an email that a fan sent me, and he said he watched the film The Kingsman, and in that movie there's all sorts of crazy cool spy gadgets, and one of them is a shoe with a retractable knife in the toe.
You're going to need a pair of shoes to go with your suit. An Oxford is any formal shoe with open lacing. This additional decorative piece is called broguing.
That is sick.
And I'm sure this device has been in other movies as well, and it's just a really cool spy device. And you guys know I love those, so we're gonna try and make one today. So just a disclaimer, do not try this yourself. I'm probably gonna take this apart once I'm done with it anyway, because I don't know if it's illegal or not. So yeah, I can tell you it's gonna be pretty dangerous. So yeah, for this project, I'm gonna be using this knife. Basically it's just an OTF knife, so it springs out like that. And I know a lot of people are going to ask about this knife, so I guess I'll drop a link to it in the description, but once again, just check out the knife and don't actually try to make this. Alright, so I'm just going to film the process of me making this, and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, let's check it out. So to get the knife out, all you have to do is push on this little nub right here. It's actually a skewer, and the blade will pop out. But another cool feature I added was the ability to get the blade out with a really hard kick. As you can see, when I shake my foot around and just kind of do like normal walking movements, it doesn't come out, but as soon as I give it a hard flick with my foot, the blade pops out and it's ready for action. So I think this is a really cool addition because, like, hypothetically speaking, if I was ever running around in these shoes or doing anything active, chances are the reason would be so I could use the knife. And so when the knife pops out, it actually locks so you can use it and it just won't like keep sliding around. So to get it back in, all you have to do is flick this little lever in the front and like kick a wall or something, and it'll be pushed back inside and locked in place and ready for the next use. So if this build doesn't prove that just about anything can be made with hot glue, I don't know what does. Alright, so there you go guys. There's my spring-loaded hidden blade inside of a shoe. So once again, please do not try this. So if you did like this video, hit that like button if you want, and also click that subscribe button if you would like to be notified when I upload new videos like this. And drop your ideas down in the description of cool like spy gadgets and really anything else you would like to see me make next. Actually, the inspiration from this video came from a fan. I do read the comments and your emails, so keep sending them. I love reading them. I love hearing feedback from you guys. So that's about all I've got for this video, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.